Hai, saya Indi daripada Telco Malaysia. Saya bekerja sebagai pegawai teknikal. Di sini saya mengambil kursus Microsoft Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook dan Word. Bagi saya, apa yang diajar oleh trainer di sini dah difahami dan agak teliti lah, dan mudah kita memahami apa yang diajar. Dan di sini environment dia juga selesa. Banyak peralatan yang ada untuk kursus yang kita ambil lah. Belajar di sini amat baik dan selesa. Terima kasih.
Hello, my name is Fidaus. I'm from Shell as a network engineer. So I've attended a 5-day course in Infosyte for the CCNP course. So it was a very collaborative and a good session for me. So I would highly recommend Infosyte to others for the training as well.
Hi, my name is Imran. I'm from Shell as a technical consultant at Shell. So I attend Infosyte for the CCNP training. The lecture is so good. It's very knowledgeable. Thank you.
Hai, nama saya Adam Shah bin Muhammad Shah. Saya daripada company MBS Bank Berhad. Kali pegang position sebagai security analyst.
Saya ni Muhammad Aidi daripada Concentrate Media Sedang Berhad. Kerana saya adalah Implementation and Support Engineer for VOIP.
Sepanjang 4 hari kami berada di sini, banyak yang kami belajar berkenaan dengan Linux especially. Trainer sangat knowledgeable, banyak yang dikongsi bersama kami. Trainer juga sangat friendly, so kami tidak rasa stres di dalam kelas. Banyak jokes yang trainer bagi. Sepanjang hari ada diberikan breaks, between that breaks diorang ada bagi makanan.
Lepas ni juga sangat selesa belajar, facility pun cukup lah. Setakat ni tak ada masalah, nak fokus pada belajar lah.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Franklin Tihano. I'm from Manila, Philippines. I work as a backup IT technician. So I'm here at Infosyte so that I can be trained with BIM 12. Why Infosyte? Infosyte was chosen by BIM as the only training center in Southeast Asia. So during my stay here in Infosyte, everything in the course has been explained properly, so they are easy to understand. Mr. Yap, our trainer, whenever we have some questions, he answers so clearly. The topics are very well versed. He taught us everything. That's something that we cannot see in user guides of Vim. Infosyte is a great place to be trained. The environment is very good. We are allowed to take some tea breaks. Of course, the food is very makan. If you ask me, I will be trained once more here. Definitely, I will go back. Definitely, I would recommend this to my colleagues, especially in the Philippines. Thank you very much, Infosyte, for this wonderful training.